Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to ask you a question. Do you know what the coolant does under the bonnet? The coolant is a liquid which is part coolant and part antifreeze and part water that you store in a tank at the side of the engine. What it does is it flows through the radiator and keeps it cool, making sure that the car doesn't overheat. It also has an antioxidant in it to stop the car from getting rusty inside of the radiator, and also obviously keeps it cool, but also has an antifreeze element for in the winter. Make sure that you keep that topped up and that you get it checked out annually. It should be between the minimum and the maximum markers when you check under the bonnet. If you found that information useful, then please give it a like, comment and share. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or subscribe to our online theory course by visiting our website at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.